Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by checking one thing. Does your school permit VPNs? If yes, make sure you can install apps or configure VPN settings. Once confirmed, decide between a Chromebook app from the Play Store or using Chrome OS built-in Open VPN/L2TP settings. The app is simpler. Sign into the VPN provider and note the server address, username, password, and any 2FA codes. Start now by opening Settings and locating Network Add Connection, so you can enter. Now you install or configure the VPN on your Chromebook. If using an app, open the Play Store, install, sign in, and grant necessary permissions. If manually configuring, go to Settings Network, add Private Network, choose the protocol, then paste the server address and your credentials. Make sure to set DNS or enable built-in protection like a kill switch so traffic won't leak if disconnected. Once done, test with a quick site access. You should see VPN status change to connected. Finish by verifying that your IP changed and that you can access the sites or services you need. If pages still block, try switching servers, changing protocol from UDP to TCP, or enabling alternative DNS settings. These adjustments often fix routing issues. If the app won't connect, reinstall it and restart your Chromebook, then re-enter credentials. One key troubleshooting tip: if school filters still block VPN traffic, do not bypass policies. Contact your IT admin for an approved solution instead of risking disciplinary action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.